Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss amazing manufacturing process for bullets, ammunition, and projectiles. Before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. Let's jump into the video. Small brass cups are made on this cupping press. This process is known as cold stamping. These cups will be the base where power is stored. Polishing unit for washing and polishing brass components. Quality testing and dimensional suspecting. Preparation phase of lead projectiles. Extrusion process to turn lead parts into wires. The wires are pressed and take the form of small projectiles. In these process, the brass cups are expanded. New dimension suspecting phase. Right type riveting machine. Ammunition packing unit. First stage of printing information. Projectile press the ammunition. Riveting machine prepares the front of the capsule. Reassembly of projectiles. Packing ready-made projectiles. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. And also please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more video like this. Thanks.